Awesome. So we're in the final step here with simplify and consolidate. Not much of that elephant left to go. Really at this stage, it can look different for different organizations in terms of exactly what needs to happen. I will provide you with some tools that have specific continuity with the audit that we did. But really at this stage, it should start to be self-evident of what some of the decisions that need to be made are. Some truths should start to surface based on the audit that gave you a real hard quantitative look at what the current systems inventory looked like. You also did the consensus building with the coalition of the willing. You've got guiding principles so that when you're in the weeds having to make some hard decisions, you can refer back to them. And so, that should really give you a good basis for moving forward. The Keep, Kill, Consolidate spreadsheet that my colleague will review with you shortly will help with making decisions inside of that systems inventory. And then the Miro board has a roadmap that helps with rolling that up into a long-term strategic view that you can share with executive stakeholders. If I was leaving you with just some thoughts on best practices for digital transformation, I would say treat change management as non-negotiable. It's been an inherent part of everything we've talked about so far. So if you're following this, you should be doing all right. Taking an iterative approach to change. So crawl, walk, run. Start with low complexity, high value to the business. Build success around that momentum. Talk about it and keep going. And then partner strategically. So a bit of a shameless plug, but really I think the right partner can help you move forward with velocity and efficiency, and we'd be happy to help.
Hi, my name is Star, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of our system rationalization spreadsheet and our roadmap template. Now that you've got your set vision and priorities for digital transformation, we can revisit the audit spreadsheet from step 1 and go to the second tab along the bottom and see the system rationalization spreadsheet. So you're going to want to copy all of the systems that you captured in the audit over to this second tab. And then you'll go through each system and look at the function, the owner, the annual cost, number of users, business value, and there's some guidelines here for you to help. If there's any redundancy, what the integration quality and data reliability is like for that system, as well as the overall fit. So it should be hopefully obvious to you guys whether you're going to keep, consolidate, or retire. Perhaps there's some discussion and debate and figuring out what system you go with, but this will help make decisions for you with regards to what you're doing with your systems. The other resource we have for you in this step is our roadmap template. So if you go back to the Miro board that you previously copied and you scroll to the right, you'll see it there. With your systems rationalized and initiatives prioritized, a roadmap helps sequence your efforts over time, visually showing everyone what to tackle first, which projects follow, and how everything connects to your long-term goals, that North Star for change. By visualizing your initiatives in a phased, time-based format, you can also make it easier for staff and other stakeholders to understand the path forward. So down the left-hand side, you can list initiatives or maybe departments, and then across the roadmap, you can list out the timeline and all of the other dependencies of that project. With the roadmap complete, you'll be able to drive your digital transformation forward with intention. We're excited for you.